this video, we'll take an overview of Quick Buy Now button and we'll check the functionality. Also, we learn how to change the text of the button and the color of the button. So let's begin. Number one, we need to log in into our Opencart admin. Click on login. Now you need to go to extensions and extensions again. Now click on modules, and as you can see here, your Buy Now extension. Click on edit. So this is the extensions backend. So you can do three things over here. Number one, you can change the color code of the button. That means the color of the button. Number two, you can change the text on the button. So right now it's Buy Now. You can also write Quick Buy Now, or you can write whatever you feel like in your language or any other language, the way you want it to be. And the third option, to enable or disable it. If you feel like you don't want to use this button at a later stage, you can just disable it. So one more button you'll find over here is choose color code. So here you need to enter the color code of the button. Every color has a different color code. So to help you with this, we have created this button. What you need to do is just click on this button, and the new tab, you'll see this color picker. Here you can choose any color, whatever you feel like, and select the hex of that color. Just copy it and paste it. So now if you save it, the button of the color on your website will be like this. So let's try it out. Let's save it. And now let's go to our website's front end. Let's go to a particular product, and as you can see, the color of the button has changed now. So that's working perfectly fine. Now let's go to the next functionality, which is changing the text. Here we have written Buy Now. You can change it to Quick Buy Now. Let's save it. Now let's again go to the same product, and as you can see here, it's written Quick Buy Now. So I think it's pretty simple and you can do it without any problem. So let's change the color back to the darker version, which is this, the default Opencart color. Let's copy this and then paste it back in this color code button box. Now let's save it. Now let's go back to our Opencart admin and check whether the color has changed, and yes, as you can see, the color has changed. So I hope now you can change the color of the button, you can change the text of the button, and you can change the status. I mean, you can enable the button or disable the button. So if you still have any query, you can go through this video again. Thank you very much.